Hey, so my friend Paula and I sat at an open house today. It's at a new listing in Basking Ridge, listed for $689,000. We had, I'm not kidding, we had 40 sign-in sheets, and then we had to start turning them over and using the backs because we ran out. That's how many people were at this open house. It's incredible. We do have an offer on the table, and we're now with my clients trying to decide, how we want to move forward. If, when we want to wait, if we want to put in a deadline and all of that. But that's not why I'm here to talk to you tonight. I'm here to talk to you tonight because probably, I don't even really know the number, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if there's 15 or 30, because I really just want to talk about one thing. When you go to an open house and you're not with your own realtor, that's totally fine. That's why we're open, to make sure that you can get there if your agent is busy doing something else. Always tell the agents that are there that you'll have a real estate agent. That's okay. And we're there to answer questions. But here's a little bit of advice. You might want to, instead of asking all of those questions of the agent that's there, you might just want to write them down, make a note of them, and then call your agent and let your agent call the listing agent and find out the answers to those questions. And here's why. I had a guy asking me some of the most inane questions. I mean, to him they were important. Don't get me wrong. He needed to know the things that he was asking, and that's fine. And I obliged. I gave him all the answers. But, oh my. And then he told me how much he loves the house, and his wife is traveling and can't come back until Wednesday. I don't know that we can wait that long, but for a serious buyer, we might. But then he says, so I love the house, and if it were up to me, I'd make an offer, but I don't think my wife is going to like it. I'm really going to have to sell it to her, so I'm going to come back on Wednesday and try to do that. If you were the seller, would you wait for that showing to happen? Probably not. Not if you have 5 other offers to choose from, because now we know, even if he did make the deadline, now we know that his wife doesn't really like it, and we have other offers we can choose from. So all I'm here to say is you might just want to keep track of your questions, follow up with your real estate agent when you're done, and leave it at that, so that we don't really know your hand or know your cards. Unless you're just going to be over the top in love with the house and begging us to wait, then, that's a different story. But if you're telling me the things that you don't like about it, I'm going to be hard pressed to wait for you. Good luck, guys. It's hard out there.